step is about your first dream. The first step is about believing in yourself. The first step is about accepting your first compliment with grace. The first step is about attracting positive energies from the cosmos. The first step is about encouraging others with your stories. Hi everybody, welcome or welcome back to the channel. This is Hasni Lakshminarayanan, founder of The First Step and also a young reporter of the Brainfeed magazine. This is my mantra and motive. All of us have the same neurology. If it is possible for others, it's possible for me. So if it is possible for these young children to achieve in a very young age, I'm sure it is also possible for me as well as all of you watching and your children. Hi everybody, welcome back to the channel. So today we are going to interview a techie and he has received numerous awards and won a lot of competitions on hackathon. So he's only 12 years old, studying in KRM Public School, Chennai. So let's put our hands to welcome Pratik. Hi Pratik, how are you?
Yeah, hi. So I'm Pratik, studying 7th standard in Kerala Public School. So I love programming languages, and I was mostly interested in science, like rocket science, and then programming languages, like in computer field, and these are the things I love a lot.
Right. So tell us your inspiration behind learning about hacking and how did you actually start learning? Tell us about your journey from where you started.
Yeah. So basically, when I was a child, my mom was to go to shopping centers and buy those books, like 20 rupees book, where she will teach me about alphabets. And the most interesting part is going to be, I love when I see some scientist images, like scientist image and rockets image. I love to see it a lot because mostly I don't know, like that time I don't know what it is, but it looks interesting, so I will just always be curious about to learn. So after some years, Abdul Kalam sir, he will be launching missiles, but what will be happening is, by the time I don't know if it's a missile, so I will think that it's going to be a rocket. So I was very interested in rockets. So by the time I don't know missile, so that's why I said rockets. So and I thought it was a missile, and then so I was inspired by Abdul Kalam sir first, and then I started to learn about rockets, paper rockets. Started from paper rockets to chemical rockets, and in chemical rockets even I made vinegar, baking soda basic rockets, and then for the next level I want to make electronic rocket. That's how it came into coding. So while learning code, while learning code, I started to search code and in YouTube's tutorial videos, and then finally I came to know about, in my recommended, I started to see about hacking and all the other stuff related to coding, and started to learn about them.
That's really great. This is a very long journey, and you have many more to travel, I think, because you have evolved from a paper rocket to an chemical rocket and then to an electronic, right? So, I mean, it's a great evolution. And let's talk about your competitions now. When did you first start participating, and then how did it start growing?
From my childhood age, I was participated in a lot of programs conducted by schools, like a school level. And then when I'm studying fourth standard in 2017, World Space Week have been conducted by ISRO, and that was my turning point of my life, because I chose my career, like my platform right there only. And I even got a lot of ISRO members have been encouraging me. I even got a chance to facility visit ISRO, and after that, I even got a chance for a launch witness in ISRO of PSLV C-40 rocket. So it's on January 2018.
That's cool, and wish the best for you to become a scientist. And any favorite award or the award which made you most proud, please mention, because I'll also love to know about it.
My favorite award was going to be World Space Week or two, but also it was on it was in NASA. So I got an award called Galactic Problem Solver in from NASA. So that was my precious moment of my life.
In NEP policy, now the government has introduced coding from 6th standard. So, what is your opinion on that?
Like it's great, because everyone in this world can learn coding, right? From their
Right.
childhood itself, they learn. If they learn coding, then they will be thorough at coding and they can make whatever they want. So that's my opinion.
Right. Can you also talk about how important coding is, mainly for the 21st century children? Because now the people are growing up, and the world is changing. It's not how it was in the past, right? So please go ahead.
The coding is important for everybody, those who are being interested in electronics, and mainly in computer field. If you take for example, like in future everything's major things are going to be dependent upon coding. For example, if you take people who are being interested in electronics, they won't only depend on electronics, because electronics just a part, but we need some commands to give electronics in order to make it work. So by the time we need coding, right? So not only for electronics, like for app development, if you want to develop games, if you want to develop websites, definitely you want to learn coding. So nowadays also all students mobile, they can learn coding by seeing online resources. So it's a great opportunity to learn coding and be a great scientist, maybe like me.
Definitely, because coding can be important for students who are interested towards science technology, especially. And nowadays, they are people advertisements are implementing coding and encouraging coding. So that is something good for children to learn, because we don't know how the future is going to be. It might be an electronical world tomorrow. Do you know who's the best hacker in India?
Like maybe I would say, like, not only in India, but my inspiration hacker is going to be Kevin Mitnick, because
Right.
he have break a lot of companies like IBM. Have inspired by him. Like, he's a great hacker. If I want to tell an inspiration from India for hacking, I would like to say, like, Rahul is going to be my inspiration.
Hacking can be worse at times, but you can also go with the positive one. So, what would you like to tell to people who are watching it?
I'm not going to tell only for students on like children's, but I'm also going to be telling for parents. A lot of parents are thinking like giving mobile or computer is a waste of time to students, but it's not like that. Every student will be special in some field. Like for example, children who plays games, they may be like a specialty. They have a specialty in games, so they may become a professional gamer or like that. So whatever interest they have, we can let them go if it's good, and then let's make like they will also be one of the great in that. Like everyone has a unique talent, right? So we can use that talent and become whatever we want.
Very, very true. Because parents, if you're watching this, especially, encourage them if you like doing that, and if they have passion and dedication towards it. And so, what you talk now is for parents. What would you like to tell to children now?
I would like to tell only one thing, that, for example, if you can get laptops, if you start to play, please don't do that. Instead, I would like to tell you only one thing, that develop your own game or develop your own app, and then just go through that, because that would be a great thing. Also, you can improve yourself in a lot of things like coding and everything. It would be a great chance to learn coding too.
And you are a developer too, right? An app developer. So please talk about your apps. What have you developed so far?
Basically, I have developed plenty of apps in plenty of programming languages, but like mostly I will develop an app and then keep it like myself. So like I have made an app called Standard PDF Tools, and it's even been published into Google Play Store. So you can go ahead and check it out. So it's completely about PDF. So we have all the PDF settings, tools, like
Mhm.
editing pages like that. So it has complete tools about PDF. And then like I even developed like Google Classroom. Instead of Google, we can just use that, and even a lot of apps.
Children, if you're interested, please go download it. It's available on Google Play Store. Especially during this pandemic, I think to submit all your question papers and worksheets, I think your PDF will, I mean,
Available in my website called saladsofpro.com. So you can, whenever you want, you can go ahead and then, like, you can even visit all the services if you want.
And what are your future plans?
Basically, like, by seeing all these, I want to become a scientist in computer, like a computer scientist.
Any new plans you coming up, like you wanted to create another plan, any process which is going on right now?
Definitely. So I'm like creating my own search engine like Google. It's an alternative to Google, which is going to be completely secure. It's currently in progress.
So what are your dream awards, like what do you want to achieve?
My dream award, it's going to be from like even Space Week conducted by ISRO, where I got an first prize, and also like also I got an award from NASA as called as Galactic Problem Solver. That's my dream award.
Wish the best for you to achieve it. I'm sure that you will achieve it one day because you're already good at this at a very, very young age. Please talk about your parents. How have they supported you? Because I think almost every child I have interviewed, they talk about their parents like, I mean, they are the ones who support their child, right? So please talk about your parent.
In my case too, it's same like that. If I want to go to some competitions like which is far away, even my mom will always like help me, my dad will also help me. They both will take me to that, because like they won't see the distance of the distance. Instead they will see like what I get.
Mm.
So they will always like develop me. So that's what their motto. And even my mom won't like eat. Instead she will save, okay, she will save the money from eating, and then she will spend it for me, like buying like electronics and the softwares like that.
Parents are so helpful and they encourage you a lot and motivate you.
Yeah, like not only like parents, my teachers, my CEOs, my school CEO sir and principal, even they all like encouraged me a lot.
Thank you so much for being here. I really, really had a fun time interacting with you. And any mantra or motive you have to share with us?
Not like that. Basically you can do whatever you want, but you should be good at it, and you should not distract from that.
All the best for your future. Hope you achieve more and more. And I learned a lot, and you are a huge inspiration for mainly the 2020 kids. You can also say it as 2K kids. And thank you. With that, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe if you like the video. And don't forget to turn on your post notifications because you don't have to miss me interviewing another child and other inspirational story. So until then, I'll see you next week. Bye bye. Signing out, this is Hasti Lakshminarayan.
Like, share and subscribe to First Up YouTube channel.